So the mold is a two-part mold that covers the entire base. Clay is then pressed against that mold, right, along the whole thing as the mold's together, and then the mold's taken apart. This is made with dowels of wood, so it's actually outstretched. So you'd have a dowel coming this way and a dowel coming up like that. And then there's the clay is compacted around that to give it that cylindrical form. The dowels are taken out, it's bent, and then a little bit of clay is put around here, and they also punch the hole in here so that you have the actual opening coming. Right? So they punch through the top, and then they connect these and add the clay. Then the slip is applied. So in this case, it's a cream slip. This kind of whitish cream slip is applied to the entire vessel. And then they paint the red, which is another slip. So slip being basically clay, very fine clay mixed in with the pigment. And in this case, this is this style is called Moche IV. There's 5 styles of moche. Moche IV has a very, very fine application of the lines and of the slip drawings. So you can see it's very, very thin here as it's outlining this figure. When we get into the deer, this is a deer hunting scene. We have these little hash marks that are drawn onto the deer to show the fur. We have on the other side a very beautiful tree or shrub. These are shrub forests from the riverside there. And we even have very fine drawing of this netting, which is used for hunting and catching of the deer as well. So all of that is drawn out in extremely fine fashion. And then the whole thing is fired. So it's a one firing process after they've applied all of this. And the firing, we even see a little bit of firing flaws or little alterations in the color. So you see how it's a little bit darker over here in this tree compared to the red over here. That's the difference in kind of an oxidative atmosphere and a reductive atmosphere. The reductive gives it more of that black, the oxidative gives it more of this red. And that's just from the slight variations within the pit fire between, some kind of more oxygen-rich zones in the firing process.